Hey, have you heard? FlippingBook turns any document into an interactive experience in just a few clicks. Your videos can increase engagement on the page. GIFs help breathe life into images and infographics. And anything can be clickable. But don't stop there. Make your flipbooks pop with pop-up image galleries. You can show an image from different angles in a product catalog, or present the colors in your new collection. Include high-resolution images in your pop-up galleries. And save space on the page with additional info in a pop-up. It's no longer just a flipbook, it's a popping experience. Your audience will love it. Take interactivity to new heights with FlippingBook.